This is a rectal transducer. It is mainly used for ovarian disease diagnosis and pregnancy examination in dairy cows. Insert the transducer into the cow's rectum manually to locate the ovaries. It supports ovarian lesion detection, follicle scanning, and pregnancy diagnosis. Connect the device to the tablet via Type-C cable. Open the SonoEye app. The device will connect automatically. Turn on Wi-Fi on your mobile device. Select the Wi-Fi named SonoEye. Enter the password, the last 8 digits of the device serial number. Launch the SonoEye app after successful connection. Swipe up and down on the image area to adjust scanning depth. Long press on the image to lock the focus position. Lock the focus at the depth of the ovary for clear scanning. Adjust 7-segment depth gain manually on the image area. Swipe right to strengthen signals and brighten the image. Swipe left to weaken signals and darken the image. It can precisely control the brightness of different imaging depths. Press IO to restore the optimal default imaging parameters. This function optimizes total gain and TGC simultaneously. Dynamic range refers to the range of maximum and minimum received signals. Higher value delivers more image details. Lower value reduces information. The optimal conventional setting is 100. Total gain controls the overall signal intensity. Increase gain to brighten the whole image. Decrease gain to darken the whole image. Adjust to normal brightness for daily scanning. Tap the freeze button to pause the image. Tap again to unfreeze and resume real-time scanning. Tap Still Save to capture and save static images. Tap Sign Save to record and save videos. Tap the blue triangle icon to view saved images and videos.